Examine the viewership metrics for AI-generated animal stories. Single uploads in this specific niche are currently attracting upwards of 160 million views. This chart shows the financial scale of that audience. While standard channels struggle for traction, creators hitting these viral milestones drive estimated monthly earnings ranging from $85,000 to over $1 million. Despite the clear audience demand for this content, very few creators are currently utilizing this specific format. The market is saturated with viewers, but the volume of producers remains low. You are about to learn a 4-step framework to build these exact videos for free. This process requires no prior experience in creative writing or professional animation. This is our target objective, a cinematic narrative where a rabbit pulls a tortoise away from a truck, establishing the foundation for the story's plot. Adopting this framework provides the technical infrastructure needed to operate a scalable content channel. Step 1 begins with story generation. Open your browser and navigate to ChatGPT to start the creative process. If you are starting without an initial idea, use Method A. Paste a specialized prompt that commands the AI to suggest 3 distinct story concepts based on unlikely animal pairings. The AI will generate several options, such as a narrative involving a rabbit and a cat, or a dog and a rabbit, each with its own conflict and resolution. For those who have a specific concept in mind, Method B is more effective. Open a basic notepad application and type out your rough ideas as a series of fragmented bullet points. Copy those notes into ChatGPT and use the command, "Improve this story and make it interesting." Using AI to restructure your initial thoughts ensures your video is built on a narrative that follows a logical, engaging sequence. Once the story is polished, instruct ChatGPT to divide the entire narrative into a series of sequential visual scenes. You must require the AI to provide 2 specific outputs for every scene, a detailed image prompt and the voice narration script. Do not attempt to write the image prompts manually. Allowing the AI to generate these technical instructions helps maintain a consistent art style across all scenes. Organizing the project at this stage creates a technical link between the spoken dialogue and the imagery before you begin production. Step 2 focuses on the visuals. Search for Glyph AI, navigate to the site, and sign in with a Google account to access your daily free generation credits. Inside the dashboard, click Build at the top, select the plus icon, and open the Image Generator tool. Before generating, you must select the correct AI model. Open the model dropdown and click the specific option labeled Fast Flux Snail plus LoRa. You also need to set the image aspect ratio. Move the width slider until it locks exactly on the number 576. Now go back to your ChatGPT document. Copy the image prompt for Scene 1, paste it into the Glyph AI input box, and hit the Generate button. Adhering to these specific technical configurations is exactly what separates high-quality cinematic illustrations from basic generic AI art. For Step 3, paste your voice narration script into a free tool like ElevenLabs or Clipchamp. Choose a narrator that fits the tone of your story, then download the audio files for each scene. In Step 4, open your video editor and drag your generated images onto the timeline. Place the audio file directly underneath the corresponding image, then trim the edge of the image so it disappears the moment the voiceover ends. Aligning these audio and visual layers onto a single timeline is the mechanical step that transforms static files into a finished video. Look at the final result. In this scene, the favor is returned as the tortoise pulls the rabbit through the floodwaters to safety. You have successfully completed the entire production cycle, scripting, prompting, and assembly, using only free AI tools. We are giving away a channel growth package to help one viewer get started. To enter the giveaway, subscribe to the channel for a chance to win one-on-one guidance on scaling your own account. Learning this complete workflow gives you the power to launch a professional storytelling channel from scratch without any financial investment.